cow urine, desi cow and desi cow dung and cow urine, and producing a lot of value-added products. We are continuing 2-3 webinar training, and till date we have trained almost more than 600 village farmers how to use this gobar as well as gomutra of the desi indigenous cows, and produce a lot of good quality produce, and their market is readily available with the help of one of the very renowned Vaidya of Himachal Pradesh, Solan district, that is Vaidyaraj Sri Rajesh Kapoorji. And through him, with the help of Beltron Green Energy Patna, the chairman and the managing director is engineer Ramesh Kumarji Kumar Sahab, and this particular system will definitely give 5,000 to 10,000 earning each and every farmer, even they are not getting the milk prices also, with the help of the cow dung and the cow urine. And this is a very good thing if every farmer, if they are getting, say, even, okay, his claim is of 10,000 per cattle. We are taking even 50% initially also, 5,000. And suppose one farmer, we know, we are in the dairy industry, that if a farmer is having 5 or 6 or even 10 cows, so only 4 and 5 will be the milking and rest will be either dry or pregnant. In that case, he is earning something from the cows who are giving the milk, maybe 3 or 4 cows. Rest 5 or 6 cows, they have to feed, arrange the feed from their own, and they are not getting anything. But with this Govardhan Yojana, now they are going to get minimum 4 to 5,000 rupees every month from each cow, and see if a farmer is having 10 cows and he is getting, say, 1 lakh rupees without getting the prices of the milk, how wonderful it will be. So this I get inspired by the on 10th or 12th of August, it was being inaugurated. One GoPala app has been inaugurated by Prime Minister of India, and there it was stated about the Govardhan Yojana. We are trying on it, and in the meantime we get associated with Vaidyaraj Sri Rajesh Kapoorji, and then we have started getting training of our village producers, and till date we have trained almost 600 village farmers how to use the gobar as well as the gomutra for producing the value-added product. Like there are so many products like anti-radiation chip. There is one earth which can cure a lot of diseases also. There is one earth we can clarify the all poisonous material in the drinking water. So many things are there. I will explain in this thing, and there is a big write-up on this, and it has come in the newspaper as well as it has been given in the papers also. But in nutshell, it will change the whole scenario of the milk production in the whole of the India. And this is the right time we should change from the exotic breed and crossbreed to the Indian breed, and the Indian breed, indigenous breed, pure breed will be the most useful cows, which will give earning to the village people, and they will change the whole economy of the village people. And really it is wonderful. I thank you, Sinha, and all the people present here. I have taken this challenge. It will take some time. Changing all the so breed is not a simple thing. We know there is a places like Chile, Germany, Brazil, where they have taken our cows and started. They have completed indigenous breed there, and they are producing more than 20 liters, 30 liters, 40 liters milk, where our indigenous cows only give 5, 6, 10, 15 or 20 liters. So this is a good area. I have taken initiation with the help of my board as well as Beltron Green, Patna, engineer Ramesh Kumar ji, and overall I hope in next presentation I will be with some very good practical achievement of this, and hope the things will take in different shape, which is going to change overall scenario of the milk production, which has presently become a very deficit making. बहुत ज़्यादा इसमें कमाई कम हो गई, लोगों को, लोग पशुपालन से भागने लगे हैं। तो उस चीज़ को दोबारा उससे जोड़ने के लिए जो हमारी गांव की एक सबसे बड़ी अर्निंग, जैसे कहते हैं मिल्क प्रोडक्शन क्या है, इट्स ए रेडी रेकनर एटीएम। अभी गाय को कुछ चारा खिलाइए, कुछ भी खिलाइए, शाम को दूध लीजिए और उसका पैसा लीजिए, रेडी रेकनर एटीएम। सो बट that is not sufficient. A lactating cow only give milk for say 180 to 200 days. The rest days either she is pregnant or she is dry, and that time if that cow dung and the cow urine is being converted into value added product and they get the money, that will be wonderful. That's all, and thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.